In this video, let's discuss about what are the specifications you can expect in the Nothing Phone 4B. So very soon on 7th of July, Nothing gonna release the Nothing Phone 4B. And there are a couple of leaks and rumors about the specifications, what you can actually expect in this device. So that's what we'll try to take a look at the overall specification wise. So right now, first thing is that you will be able to see the new type of design on the back panel. So this is how the design looks like. And regarding this processor, the processor will be having Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset, which will be present in the Nothing Phone 4B, and 120Hz AMOLED display. Close to 6.7 inches of screen size will be present in this device, 6.7 inches screen size. And 8 GB RAM will be present, and there will be also, I think, 6 GB RAM also. But overall, 50 megapixel main camera can be seen, and the 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and 16 megapixel front camera. Close to 5000 mAh of battery will be there, minimum 5000 to 5400. So this is what you can actually expect, but mostly it should be like 5000 mAh of battery capacity. And fast charging can be close to 33 watts to 50 watts of fast charging. So this is what the overall specifications and the leaks and rumors about the device. And the processor is a Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset. So right now the price can be expected maybe close to like 24,999, 25,999. That can be the price for the Nothing Phone 4B at this moment in terms of the price range. So that's what. And Nothing Phone 4A, which is about like starting price of 37,999 rupees right now. Nothing Phone 4A, which is available with the processor of Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 chipset. So with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor, the price gonna be definitely less than this Nothing Phone 4A device. So hopefully, I think it will be close to 25,999, 24,999 rupees. Because of the cameras, also only two cameras included, not like even camera also not much high camera, like 50 megapixel. It's only a basic camera. So we might see the specifications like 5000 mAh of battery, same kind of display size, and the less specifications regarding the camera and the performance. So overall, the price also will decrease, come down to below 30,000 rupees. So that is what we can actually expect the price for the Nothing Phone 4B to be there. And these are the few specifications and details about the device. So what you can actually expect. And let me know in the comment section below, friends, what do you think about the price of this Nothing Phone 4B and what are the specifications wise also. So hopefully we should see the price start like decrease, not much more than the 30,000. It should be below 30,000. Based on the specifications, we can definitely get to know as well. So that's what we can actually understand. So these are the few details, guys, which you should know about the Nothing Phone 4B. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what do you think about this one. And very soon on 7th of July, it's gonna release. And there are a lot of phones coming in the next month. Even the Samsung is releasing Samsung M47, OnePlus N6 is coming. And right now, Nothing Phone 4B is also coming. Couple of phones are releasing. So definitely it's gonna be again tough as well in this segment of close to 30,000 range. All the phones are releasing, right? So right now, if you want a design and like build quality, like kind of this kind of unique kind of design, then Nothing Phone 4B. And if you want so many OS updates, Samsung phone like 6+6, the Samsung is giving for the M47, and the OnePlus N6 is for the battery. If you want 8000 mAh of battery, so every phone has its own advantages, guys, in one of the category. Every phone. So that's how the each phone is currently focused yet. So these are the few details, and very soon even we're going to see the price for the of the Nothing close to like during the Flipkart Gold sale. So during that time, we'll be seeing the price might decrease. So let's see during the Gold sale how much the price is going to be there also on the Nothing phone series. So at that time also we can be observed. So we'll try to observe what's going on with the price and details, everything. So these are the few details, as you can see. Again, I'll be back in the next upcoming videos, guys.